today's video, I'll be showing you how to redesign your Shopify store to give it a fresh, modern look that will attract more customers and boost sales. Whether you're rebranding or just want a new vibe for your store, these simple steps will help you achieve it. Let's get started. Click the link in the description below to find out more. Step 1, choose a new Shopify theme. The first thing you'll want to do is pick a new theme. Shopify has a variety of free and paid themes that are perfect for different types of stores. To find the perfect one, go to Online Store and click Themes, browse through options that suit your brand's personality. Once you've found the one you like, just click Customize to start designing. Step 2, customize your store layout. Next, it's time to customize the layout. Use Shopify's drag and drop builder to rearrange elements like your homepage banners, featured products, and collections. Make sure to keep it clean and easy to navigate so customers can find what they need. You can also adjust fonts and colors to match your brand's new look. Step 3, update product images and descriptions. A redesign isn't complete without refreshing your product pages. Make sure to use high-quality images that show your products in the best light, and update your descriptions to be more engaging and detailed. This helps customers make informed decisions and can improve your conversion rate. Step 4, improve user experience. Don't forget about user experience. Simplify your store's navigation by creating clear menus and categories. And since most customers shop on their phones, make sure your store is fully optimized for mobile. You can preview the mobile version of your store in the Shopify editor to ensure everything looks great on smaller screens. Conclusion, call to action. And there you have it. With just a few simple changes, you can completely redesign your Shopify store and give it a fresh new look. Click the link in the description below to find out more. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and drop a comment below with any questions.